Hey there! Welcome to SwappCycle, India's first barter-based peer-to-peer marketplace for preloved fashion. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how easy and fun it is to start swapping your preloved items for something fresh and fabulous. Start by downloading the SwappCycle app from your favorite app stores and jump in by creating a profile. Tell us about your interests to help us curate the best for you. Find an item you would like to exchange and add a new listing. Simply upload a few pictures, answer a few questions to calculate the value, and once you're happy, confirm and post. Dive into the Swappdeck, where we curate the best listings from other users just for you. Swipe left if you don't fancy an item, or swipe right if you love it. It's a match. Leave it to us to find you the best deals based on your interests. Check them out under My Matches. Like the proposal? Let's get Swappin. Seal a deal by accepting the match. Sit back and relax, because we'll pick up your item and deliver your desired item right to your doorstep. It really is that simple. Why shop it if you can swap it?